Okay, I wanted to show you some of the plants that I have here in my new beds and how they're doing. I grew most of these plants in my garage in small cups from seed. These are pole beans. You can see they're wrapping around the trellis. And over here we have cucumbers that are starting to wrap around the trellis. They're starting to move up. I also plant marigolds for pollinators and to help keep insects away. This side, again, I have cucumbers that will be growing up with this trellis as well. And down here we have honeydew melons. That should be great. As long as everything goes well. We're late in September already, so they gotta kind of get a move on, hopefully, in the next month or two. Well, that's the update on my new beds and what's planted in them. These over here are red peppers. They're looking pretty good, except for this one on the end. Not so sure about him. I think he might be getting a little bit too much water because he's got, you know, a lot of water cups around him. But the other three seem to be doing fine. So we'll see, and I'll give you an update later. Thanks for watching.